I thought it was
Just look at
something
your
that
skin.
like you're in the club and you're dancing and the lights and starts like flashing and shit.
Hey, I'm AD Dolphin. Welcome to another episode of Fact or Fiction. Ready, fight! Today we have one of my good friends, Bambi.
So I'm Bambi and I'm excited. I'm excited for today.
You're excited to get beat up on?
I'm not gonna get beat up. I don't know what you're talking about.
All right, do you know anything about tattoos? Do you have any tattoos?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. I only have one, but if you do have a lot of information about tattoo, you might actually have the upper hand on me today.
Okay.
So let's get into it. Fact or fiction? You can tattoo your eyeballs.
Fact.
God, you said it so fast. Why? How do you know? Why do you think you know
know
this?
a lot of random facts because I watched a lot of YouTube. And actually a couple days ago I was watching YouTube about this lady that tattooed her eyeballs, and it's actually irreversible, unlike, body tattoos.
So you know you're right.
Yeah.
I hate this show. Everybody that comes on this show seems to know the answer, and I don't know what's going on. It actually is a fact.
Decent.
First of all, it's supposed to be like one of the worst ideas on the planet, but I guess people are doing it.
I thought about it in the past, like when I was younger. I was like, that's kind of cool. But then, it's permanent. So
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think that's a great choice. They make these tattoos by injecting the ink between the clear cornea and the cover of your eyes. That sounds so painful. Now check this out. If they don't exactly inject the ink in the right spot,
You could go blind.
God, how do you know this? I'm in trouble today. I'm in trouble today. You can go blind. It can be painful. You can have this crazy infection. It turns out, even if they put it in the right place, you still can be constantly in pain, constantly in discomfort forever for putting ink in your eye.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That sounds ridiculous.
Like some people can't even put contact lenses in their eyes.
I know.
It's insane that these people are sitting there putting a whole needle.
And there's contact lenses available that you can wear to give you the same effect, and you can take it off at night.
Some people are just,
Not for me.
they're intense.
Yeah, they go hard.
They go hard.
They go harder than us, obviously.
Fact or fiction? Tattoos can replace physical features.
That's not a, you know what, every time I come on this show, I swear the producers give me the hardest questions. No, they're out to get me. Like, I'm going to say it can. It's a fact. It's a fact. I know I have no reason why.
You're just going to guess it?
I'm just going to guess. Look,
No,
I don't
you can't
watch.
just guess. You have to make a calculated, and you have to analyze the situation.
A hypothesis? No, I really don't have one.
You're just gonna guess it 50-50?
I mean, I don't watch YouTube. Go on, Bambi. Tell me I'm right. This is my favorite part.
Well, the answer is fact.
Yes.
All right.
Hopefully you're not a sore loser because you are gonna lose this.
We're gonna see.
You may have heard of tattooed eyebrows.
Yes, I have.
But tattoos can actually be used to create nipples in women that have had mastectomies.
Nipples? They're not gonna
They're
protrude from
tattooed.
your skin like that, are they?
Right.
So it's just more of a it appears to be a nipple. Mm-hmm.
I saw this on YouTube too.
YouTube is killing it these days.
There's some really good nipples out there, nipple art.
So it looks like it's in 3D then?
Yeah.
That's crazy. All right, Bambi, got another question for you. Fact or fiction? There are tattoos that change the color based on your blood. Did you see that in YouTube?
I haven't, so.
Thank God.
So since I haven't seen it on YouTube,
Oh,
I'm
no,
gonna
wait. Don't guess. Don't guess. We need something where you're pulling this from.
I've never heard that even brought up. I would say fiction.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I would
Okay.
say pretty sure.
I'm glad you're sure, because that's wrong. Okay? And I want you to get used to those words. That's
You're lying.
wrong.
You're
Absolutely.
lying. No,
It
you're about
is-
to say psych.
It is definitely a fact.
Game over.
Wow.
You need to
Now I have to go down that rabbit hole on YouTube.
Yeah, there you go. It looks like scientists are actually developing tattoos that change based on your blood pH, your glucose levels, and even your body temperature.
Wow. So is it meant for like diabetics?
I guess it may have that kind of purpose, so therefore you don't have to look at a device. You can actually
I thought it was
just look at
something
your
that
skin.
like you're in the club and you're dancing and the lights are, and starts like flashing and shit. Wait, what's the score?
I have one, you have one, but then you miss one. So now,
Oh, okay. Now it's.
so this is, if I get this right, I
So what if
I
we
win.
tie? Do we go into overtime?
There is a tiebreaker.
Okay.
But let's be positive.
Fact or fiction? Yellow ink is the easiest to get removed.
You know what it is? This is what it is. It seems like it would be very, very easy to get out. But for some reason, I think it's going to be a lot more difficult than people actually think. I love it. She can't play poker, you guys. So we're going to do this. This is fiction. And let me tell you why. Because yellow is harder to see on the skin than black. So that's the logic I'm pulling from. Bambi, you know what I like to hear.
Well, you are right.
Yes, I love it.
Winner.
But give me some of the facts, Bambi.
Oh my God, fine. So black ink is actually the easiest to get removed.
That's what I knew it. Listen, I'm tired of losing, Bambi. And that's why I invited you on the show, so I can get that clear win.
Oh my gosh, I let you have the win. And that's because the laser zaps with a specific wavelength of light. And if the tattoo color doesn't absorb that wavelength, then nothing happens.
That's it. You can't remove it then.
So black is easier to remove because it absorbs every wavelength.
Okay.
And lighter colors, obviously, and that's why they're harder.
It's harder to absorb. Got it. Makes perfect sense now. And guess what? I won. I love it. I love winning.
Oh my God, get out of here.
But anyway, thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe.
So this was fun. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.